All right, folks, we are gonna grill some sweet corn. It's the season for corn. Just straight up on charcoal. Yeah, flip it up, medium high, and make sure whenever you're grilling, you have a safe zone where, in case things get a little hot, you can move them out. So I bunch up some charcoal on one side and left a safe zone on the side, and these babies will not take that long. Yeah, look at that. Nice char on them. I like that char. Don't leave it too long. They're gonna burn. But a nice char is not a bad thing. Aesthetically, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna serve mine with some steak. Today is not about that steak. Let's move these guys out of here. It's gonna get hot. That one needs a little bit more time. Yeah, that can use some more time. Let's move those ones. Oh yes, those look good. There's a sun scent when you're grilling corn. That's just beautiful. All right, I am gonna serve mine straight up with butter. Thank you for spending time with me. This is a short side dish. If you ever come across corn, put it on a charcoal grill. Enjoy.